Hello people, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I just wanted to change my RAM of my laptop, which as you can see is a Dell laptop, Let Dell Latitude 3350. So I thought I might share with you all how to change RAM of this laptop, but I know many of people would also know how to change it, but I thought to give it a go and share with you all guys. So the first thing we will do is we're gonna take a Phillips screws. Unfortunately, I don't know what size is it because I have already picked it and checked it with my computer's size. Almost all the screw size of laptops are same. So firstly what we're gonna do is we're gonna detach our battery. My battery is a bit stuck. So let me do is unscrew all the screws. Make sure you put them somewhere that you might not lost them. So guys, I have removed all the screws. So what next we have to do is pop out the back panel. You can use a pry tool or something like that. For me this just worked fine, but this is an old model and it's better to be precautious if you don't want to break up these little clips, but for me this just works. So here is the motherboard of this computer. If my camera can focus it, yep, I think that's much better. So as you can see, I have already installed SSD drive, and this is my 4 GB RAM. This comes with a 4 GB RAM. I also bought another 4 GB RAM just to make it 8 GB, as it is a Core i3 uh, uh, fifth generation, I believe. Yep, fifth generation laptop. So I thought 8 GB would be enough, keeping in view the motherboard, or you can say, I mean, it's fifth generation, it's good, but for me 8 GB would just work fine. So if you want, you can, I believe it goes up to 12 GB or 16 GB. So if you want, you can buy 2 8 GB sticks, or uh, as you like, for yourself, but I thought just 8 GB would be fine enough for me. So to put this, you can see here there's a clip, or what can I say, a gap punch hole type thingy. So what we're gonna do is just gonna slide it in like this, and we're gonna just push it. The clicking sound means that it is properly installed. If you want to remove it, you can, oops, be careful, because don't want to touch the electronics. It can damage the stick. So these clips hold the RAM, and if you pull them outwards, then the stick can come out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick it in the place, and this is my RAM is installed now. It's 8 GB. One another thing I wanted to do is, just for my channel and just for the, I wanted to uh, reinstall a Windows. So I had a, as this is my main uh, drive which has all the data, so just to share with you how to install Windows or what to do, I have a uh, backup. This is not an SSD, it's just plain or hard disk. So I will be sharing video regarding how to install the Windows. So in order to do that, I just thought if I could also show you how to remove a hard disk. I know a lot of people would know how to remove it, but just for the sake, let's just do it as well. So there is a main screw there, and if I can find if there is another screw, just let me to get a moment. Yep, there it is. And if you push it a little bit towards yourself, hold on. Yep, so this is my SSD, and this is its cover. You can call it a cover or a whatever, I don't know what it's called. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these screws. It uses the same Phillips screw. And put it aside, not to lose them. Hold on a minute. And I will meet you after I remove those two as well. So I have removed all the screws, and it comes out. And let's put the other one, keeping in mind that these two terminals will fix in there. Oops, like this. If you want, you can put all the screws, or it's the same procedure, and I'll show you next what happens. So I have put the screws, and now we're gonna slip in this and put back the screws that we took out. And another one. Just oops, I think it's the wrong screw. Yep, it's the wrong one, and this is the right one. So our RAM and hard disk is installed. All we have to do is just put back the cover on. You can see the motherboard is not that much dirty, it is clean, so not any much else need to be done. So this is how you install a RAM and a hard disk. My next video, I will show you in my next video how to install Windows. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my new channel, and I will be try to post such things and what I daily do, my it is do it yourself videos. So whatever I do, I will share it with you guys. Thank you.